Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to create a quick and honest user experience about this platform. So the link to this platform is in the video, so let's dive into it. LLC University is a fantastic resources for anyone looking to form an LCC on their own without hiring an expensive service. Their site is packed with free step-by-step tutorial for every US state. I use it as a guide while filing paperwork myself and found the instruction clear, detailed, and beginner friendly. They don't actually form LLC directly, but instead recommended a trusted partners if you need help. It's an outstanding free educational resource that saves you hundreds in unnecessary fees. If you are willing to do a little bit work, if you are willing to do a little bit of work yourself, this platform might be the best choice for you. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this user experience and how it also can help you. Thanks.